Hi everyone, I am Arun Yadav. I had joined Evision for the desktop support engineer in uh, February 2022, and after 3 months of joining, I got selected as a desktop support engineer in HCL. And later on, after 3 months, I had joined for the Azure Cloud course also, and I am after around joining this course after 3 or 4 months with my all hard work and with the support of Evision team. I got through the cracked the interviews of three two big companies of one of TCS and one is from the Mindtree, and they offered me a very good salary of also. So it's all happened because of Evision and mine hard work also. So if you wants to join Evision for a best career opportunity, then you can go ahead without any query. This is all from my end. Thanks a lot.